What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your internet speed on your iPhone. Okay, so we're going to try this in three ways. We're going to use Wi-Fi, which is we're currently connected to. We're going to use our data on our iPhone's data plan, and that's on 5G. We're going to also try it on 4G, just so you guys can see the difference. Okay, now the way to test this is we need to actually download an app because there's no application native on iOS that can help us do this. So we're going to head on over to the App Store, and we can search for it by selecting, like pressing down from the middle of your screen like so, swiping down, and we're going to type in app. Okay, as you can see, it says right there App Store. I'm going to click on that and type in speed test. Okay, I'm gonna search. Okay, so we're going to see that there are many options available, but I'm going to recommend the first one. As you can see, it has a lot of stars, and it's the one that everyone I know uses, and it hasn't let me down so far. So we're gonna install this one. Just click right there, the little cloud. It's going to start downloading. Okay, it's ready. Now we're gonna hit open. All right, click next. Let's continue. Okay, I always select this option, allow while using the app. Okay, let's continue. I'm going to select ask the app not to track. Continue. Okay, and we're ready. Just hit the go button. So as you can see, it's running about upwards of 200 megabits per second. It's pretty stable. And the upload is pretty good too. It's around 130, 140. Okay. And it's done. In the end, as you can see right here, we get our stats. So it's a pretty good internet connection. Now, remember, we're doing this on Wi-Fi, as you can see right here. But now we're going to do the test using 5G, okay, my data plan. Okay, the way I'm going to do this is by swiping down from the top right of my screen, like so. So I can deactivate Wi-Fi. I'm going to deactivate it right here. I'm going to swipe up from the bottom of my screen like so. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says 5G. So we are now running on data plan 5G. Okay, I'm going to hit the little X right here to go back. And we're going to run the test again. All right. So as you can see, we're running at about the same rate, about upwards of the 250. It's actually going a lot faster now. So 300 megabits per second. So it's pretty good. Let's test the upload. Okay, it's around 50. Okay, so there's our stats. We have a 310 megabits per second download and around a 51 upload in megabits. Okay, so I'm going to do one more test. I'm going to run this on 4G. Okay, just hit the X right here. I'm going to swipe up from the bottom of my screen to go to the control, to my main page. I'm going to go to settings right here. And I'm going to select right here where it says cellular. All right. Okay, I'm going to check right here on the second option. Okay, so as you can see, it says voice and data, 5G auto. But I have the option of selecting 4G. I click on that. And as you can see right here, it's now selected on 4G. Okay, so we're going to head on back to the application. Speed test application, and I'm gonna hit go again. Okay, So as you can see, it's not that bad also. It's pretty tough. Although we do see the upload speed a little bit slower. It was 50 before, it's now 20. Okay, so those are our stats, 339 and for download and 20 megabits per second for upload. Okay, so just remember, guys, when you're using 4G or 5G, you're actually using your data plan, and it's usually capped. And if you go over it, it's either gonna stop or they're gonna charge you more. So just be wary of that. Always make sure you're navigating with Wi-Fi. It's always best. So I hope this was helpful, guys. Please stay tuned for other videos so you can get more tips from me. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And you have a great day.